making today?
Pancakes.
Super. So what do you need, Nancy?
Milk.
Milk first,
Flour.
flour and
Eggs.
eggs. Super. Let's mix all together. First flour. Put the flour into the bowl. Renatka, put flour. Okay, good. Renatka, put the flour. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Next goes milk. Nancy, pour the milk.
Milk.
Milk, good. Renatka, your milk. And now
Eggs.
eggs. Yes.
No.
Okay. Yes, yes. That's right. Perfect, Nancy. Perfect. Yes, that's very good. Yeah. Let me help you, Renatka. And now take it. Let's mix. Okay, Nancy, start. Very good. Slowly. Not fast, but slowly. Slowly. Slowly, yes. Very good. That's good. Nancy, that's perfect. Renatka, are you okay? Okay, great. So, girls, are you done mixing?
Good.
Yes, okay. Now, Nancy, please put 1 pinch of salt inside. Wonderful. And mix it, stir it. Very good. That's great. We are baking a pancake. Super.
Yes.
Right, girls, we're baking.
Flip it over. Yes.
Nancy, okay, flip it over. Oh, great. It's wonderful, right, girls?
Tasty.
Yes, fantastic. And now we need only 1 minute to put it on the plate. 1 minute, good? So be ready. Renatka?
Put it on the plate.
Okay, Nancy? Fantastic.
Yes.
Thank you, Nancy. Girls, our pancake is ready, yes?
Yes.
Now, Renatka, take condensed milk and put the topping, yes? And yes, Nancy, take a spoon. A spoon or a fork, yes? Yeah, put a lot of it, yeah, very good. I think that's okay, enough? Good, excellent. Do you want to eat it?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yes. Yes. Yummy.
Super.